everybody, Robert here with brpautodesigns.com. Today we're going to be talking about a whole new product that just came out. Now a lot of you guys that have bought the 2024 Jeep Wrangler or Gladiator, you've noticed that they've changed the soundbar. They also have changed the radio. So a few things have been an issue if you've been wanting to upgrade any of the audio. So what we have here is Metra just came out with a whole new setup or a whole new kit for the soundbar on your Jeep. Now what I have here is the Metra soundbar kit. Now this kit was just released and we have it here, and so we wanted to introduce it to you. So like I said, if you've been wanting to upgrade the audio on the soundbar, this is a perfect solution. If you want to upgrade the ones on the dash, you can still use the old kit, which was from 23 and under. It'll work also with the 24, but for the soundbar, you're going to have to get this kit. So what we have here is this kit is equipped with everything you will need. Let me open this up. Everything you will need for to upgrade them into 6.5s. Now what we have here is, let me pull this out. This comes with the grill part of it, as you can see here, and there's even a hole, a little slot there, so you're going to retain your factory light switch because they did move them on that soundbar. It will also come with quick connect, plug and play wires. It will come with some of this tape. It's so you can tape it around and make sure that you make a good seal. It's a foam tape. And then of course this is going to be the kit, the adapter piece actually that you're going to use. This will go on top, and then you can see we have a cutout for a 6.5. Now there's also a cutout if you want to run components, but usually I don't recommend running components because you're getting the same thing. If you have the tweeter in the middle, the coaxials are going to do the same thing as a component, and you're going to save some money by not buying the component. That being said, this kit will come with everything you will need, including this booklet that has all the instructions step by step, so you can actually install it in your garage. You can see here it's very detailed, which I really like because these are really easy to install. It will take, you know, a couple hours for your install, but trust me, it is worth the time. The last but not least is you will be able to find these on our website at brpautodesigns.com. We've paired it up on our website with a set of Rockford Fosgate 6.5-inch speakers. So you don't have to figure out what will work, what won't work. This will work together in conjunction with this kit. So this kit is entirely available on our website at brpautodesigns.com. Like I said, this kit is for the 2024 Jeep Wrangler and Gladiator, 2024 and newer. So 25 will be the same, and I'm sure it'll continue for several years. If you want one of these and you want to upgrade your audio, like I said, visit us at brpautodesigns.com. You can also call us at 480-569-3133, and you can order that way as well. Anyways, with that, I leave you guys. Hope this helps, and we'll see you in the future. We'll talk to you later. Bye.